Hello friends, today we are celebrating the colorful harvest festival of Kerala, Onam. It is a time of joy, flowers, boat races, and the story of King Mahabali. Let's celebrate this festival with a fun quiz on Onam. Are you ready? Let's begin. First question. Onam is the famous festival of which Indian state? Answer is Kerala. Second question. Onam is celebrated to welcome which king? Answer is King Mahabali. Third question. Onam is also called the festival of dash. Answer is flowers. Fourth question. What is the floral decoration made during Onam called? Answer is Pookalam. Fifth question. What is the traditional boat race of Onam called? Answer is snake boat race. Sixth question. Which dance is performed by women during Onam? Answer is Mohiniyattam. Seventh question. What is the grand feast of Onam known as? Answer is Sadhya. Eighth question. Onam is celebrated in which season? Answer is monsoon season. Ninth question. What is the main vegetable dish made during Onam? Answer is avial. Tenth question. Onam is celebrated for how many days? Answer is 10 days. 11th question. What do people wear on Onam? Answer is traditional dress. 12th question. The king who visits people on Onam is known for his dash. Answer is kindness. 13th question. Onam is celebrated in the month of dash. Answer is August to September. 14th question. Which flower is most used in Pookalam? Answer is marigold. 15th question. The festival of Onam is celebrated to mark the homecoming of dash. Answer is Mahabali. 16th question. What sport is commonly played during Onam celebrations? Answer is tug of war. 17th question. Onam is also called the festival of dash. Answer is harvest. 18th question. What is served on banana leaves during Onam? Answer is Onam Sadhya. 19th question. What do people decorate their houses with during Onam? Answer is flowers. 20th question. Which mythical king is remembered with love during Onam? Answer is King Mahabali. Wonderful. You did an amazing job in the Onam quiz. This festival teaches us about unity, kindness, and happiness. May the spirit of Onam bring joy and prosperity to everyone. Wishing you all a very happy Onam. See you in the next video.